Okay, so let's begin for the start of today. When you open your app, what we are going to design today is about the NSAS government, NSAS protest. What we are doing today is about the governance in Nigeria that is going on now, the protest. So we are going to design a small flyer to indicate something showing end bad governance. Now let's be on it immediately. You are going to consider the size of your work. You can use this is square as you have done before. This is the square size. If you want to change the size, let's say let's use square. Let's leave it as square. Now first of all, we are going to edit this. We are going to check the our color of our background. So for now we are going to use white background. You are going to select color. You are going to select color as background. Let's use white background. Let's use white background. Now when we come to write up, so delete the text already existing there, the new text, just delete it. Now you click for new text, you see it clearly. Now let's begin to do something. Let me say we have let me say end will be here, and end. Let's make it bigger. Then let's select a better font that will be good for it. Go to where you see font. Where you see font, remember what I have told you before. You select the font you will use here. So for here, we are going to look for a suitable font that will be good for it. Let's use a chunk 5 font. So we are going for it. So since we are indicating something, we want to end something. Let's go with the color. Let's put color. Let's go with the color black now. Let's go with black. We are going to place it at the center of our write-up end to show the emphasis. The size shows the emphasis. Now we are going to make up for a new text. Say bad governance. Here end caps now, bad governance. Yes, we have it now. Okay, so let's also look for a suitable font that we serve. Let's look for a suitable font that we serve. Now we have let's use a Amaranth Bold. You go for Amaranth Bold. Select the font Amaranth Bold. Remember, the first one is Chunk 5. The second one is Amaranth Bold. They are not the same font. So you see. Now let's go for a suitable color. Since this what we are going to eliminate is bad governance. So we are going to make it in red. Shows that we detest it. We make it in red color, so to show that we don't need it, we don't want bad governance. So we make it in red. Now end bad governance. Make it center aligned. Remember, center aligned vertically, not horizontal. Center aligned horizontal. So now we go for, after this you write bad governance with Nigeria. So let's complete it. Make it in capital letter, Nigeria. So I think there's a little, don't leave the space, so it will be a good center. Don't just delete the space if there is any space before the last or after the last word. Just delete the space. Now remember, we select our font. So at this juncture, which font are we going to go with? Which one will be better to make? Let's we use let's go again with chunk life. So it will be bold. So in representing line, let's remember to make it center aligned. Don't forget that. So the color Nigeria, whatever we see it, we normally use green to depict the color. So to show the fertile Nigeria. So use this dark green so it will show. As you have seen, this is what we have here. So push it to yeah, so there will be no small too much space. Now I sent you a coat of arm earlier. So now you have to import that. Use your remember what I said. Remember you go to this queue, go to import, this import. So you go to because it's go to your recent pictures. You see that the coat of arm I sent you. Look at it here. So just take it and then bring it down here. So you see, make it center aligned. You see what you are having here. See what you're having here. So at this juncture, this is a just simple design. It's one of the simplest design ever. You can easily do. This one is it's not technical, just simple. We are done. We now have it. Now let's go to saving it. Remember what I told you about saving something as a project and saving. Now for saving as we first of all save it as project. When you save it as project, let me use the name bad governance, yes, to save it as project. Now when I've saved this, I will go. You see your project. When you have saved this, you move down to this. You see that there is a new folder that is there written my project. Click on it. You have the project of all you have. You see what I just designed here and other designs I have done. But now you are dealing with this one. So we now have it. Okay. So let's save it as image to see it as image. I will send it to you. After doing this video, you have to do your own and send to me. So if you want to save this, when you come here, when you click on this CD like image showing save, go to save as image. Now when you come here, you see the different quick share image formats, quality, export image. So where I'm going to tell you about this is on quality. When you come to whenever you want to save an image, you want to save this anything as image in Peso Lab. When you come here, go and select Ultra. Don't use these ones because these ones have a lower feature. Ultra will bring out all the qualities of that particular image so that your image, your design will be clear and fine so that you know what you are doing. So as you have seen this, when I'm done with clicking on Ultra, I'll just click on save. My image will be saving. As you have seen now, it's saved. Now let me go to my gallery. You see, go to your files. You see my files. You see it now. You see what I just designed. You see on recent, this most recent one. This you see it on your gallery. You see. Now, this is what I have designed. Now, I challenge you now, you have to make your own design and send it to me as soon as possible. Do that. You have today and just send in your own immediately when you are done. You can easily pause you can play and pause the image so the video so that you can have easy access to your page to design what you have done. Just a little by little you learn. Okay, see you in next video because we have another to design.